Welcome to our winter wonderland of tranquility. Today, we invite you to embark on a journey of self-love and empowerment as we immerse ourselves in the serene beauty of a snowy forest. Find a comfortable space, take a deep breath, and let's begin. As the gentle snowflakes fall, visualize them as whispers of self-love and empowerment gently settling around you. Close your eyes and imagine the soft touch of each snowflakes, bringing a sense of calm and reassurance. Let's start by taking a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh, crisp air. Exhale. Slowly, release any tension or stress. Inhale positivity, exhale negativity. Feel the rhythm of your breath, grounding you in this moment. As you continue to breathe, picture yourself surrounded by towering trees, their branches adorned with a delicate layer of snow. Feel the cool, rejuvenating energy of the winter forest. Realize that you are part of this serene landscape, embraced by nature's beauty. Now, let's cultivate self-love. Repeat after me, either aloud or in your mind. I am deserving of love and kindness. I embrace my unique qualities and strengths. I radiate positivity and attract positive energy. I am enough, just as I am. Feel these affirmations resonate within you, like the gentle rustle of leaves in the winter breeze. As we delve into empowerment, affirm: I am strong and resilient. I trust in my abilities to overcome challenges. I am the architect of my own destiny. I step into my power with confidence. Visualize these affirmations as a powerful force, much like the steady flow of a river through the winter landscape. As we conclude our journey, open your eyes and witness the beauty of the snowfall one more time. Carry the tranquility, self-love, and empowerment with you into your day. Remember, you are a beacon of light, capable of creating positive change in your life. Thank you for joining us in this guided imagery experience. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with those who might benefit. Wishing you a season filled with self-love, empowerment, and peace. Until next time, be well. you.